Okay, what I have in front of me, this is a Voltson Smart Wi-Fi outlet by Etekcity. Now, there has been a couple of these that I've reviewed in the past, but obviously I need more. The features and specs says the wireless distance works until 98 to 164 feet, compatible with Android 4.0 or higher, iOS 7.0 or higher. Maximum power, 1000 watts, 8 amps. So let's take a look. And here they are, little surprised faces. Taking a closer look, it is plastic, but it does have a pretty good weight to it. Glossy finish and more of a matte plastic in there. And the slits, you can see some copper inside of there. And this on the right side is the LED indicator as well as the power button to turn it on manually. And on the back, we have Android and iOS QR codes that you can scan for the app. Does not rotate, stays where it's at. Now here comes the reason why I need these. I don't have a heater system inside this room since I built it, so I have to use a portable space heater. And it doesn't have any smart features, not even a control, so I have to get up every time in the middle of the night if it gets too hot or too cold. And if I'm not home, I can't heat it up. That's where this is gonna go. Now, I do have an air conditioner. The second one's gonna be for my air conditioning to cool off the day and nights. Summertime, you already know we need it. Again, not a smart air conditioner. And if you guys been watching my videos for a long time, you guys will know that my whole entire room here is almost voice activated. I don't have to touch anything. Hey Google, turn off cool lights.
Okay, turning off the cool light.
The only thing that I have manually that's a light in here is this control that will turn off the LED behind my TV. As you can see, it makes a huge difference in my videos, so I like to turn that on, and I do have a video on how I installed that. All the links and everything will be in the description as well. But this dinosaur is gonna go away and I'm gonna get the kind that you do voice activations. Google, turn on cool lights and desk light.
Sure, turning on the cool light.
So obviously the only manual I have to do is just this controller, and that will be replaced. And of course I will make a video on that as well. Now with these, I can be away from home and tell my heater to turn on so it's warm when I get back, cooling off, and I don't have a nest or anything like that. I'm not in the house. I'm separated from the house since I built this place, so I have to have these type of things. And I am gonna have all this kind of stuff when I have my own house. This is gonna be super smart. We're just walking into places and it knows what I want. So what I'll be doing is plugging this into my heater and into my air conditioner, and I'll be able to control it through an app and my voice using Google Home or Alexa. For now, let me install these. So here are the steps. Download the VSync app. Step 2, make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi. Step 3, plug in your Voltson outlet. Step 4, follow the in-app instructions to add your new Voltson outlet. And step 5, give your outlet a unique name and you're good to go. And then there's troubleshooting and more information in the back. Okay, so we have the first one installed. And the position that I record my videos is to my left, but if I'm facing my TV, it is at my right. Now this space heater has a switch on the right side, and I have to manually switch it on or off. Now what I'm going to be doing is switching it to on, but it should not have any power going through it, or the other way around, because the app will control it to be on or off. So as soon as I hit the power on the app, it will turn on my heater because it is going through my Wi-Fi, but I will be able to give it the voice commands as soon as I tell Google Home. So that's another step that we'll do in just a little bit. So that's one device. If we click in the heater, we get more information. We'll be able to see the current voltage, the energy it's using, and the power wattage, and you can set schedule so it can turn on automatic. Timer, so you can set it for an hour and it turn off, or when you leave the house, it'll turn on or off. If we go deeper into the settings, device name, icon, allow notifications, energy saving mode, abnormal protection. If it does exceed too much, okay, so I'm gonna click it on and we're gonna see the voltage. So even though this might not work for my heater, I can still transfer it to use on something else. And we're over the watts that it recommends to use by 87. And that heater is a lot. 1000 watts is so much. I'm wasting so much energy on it. This is something that I need to replace. The heater, not the outlet. It's telling us all that information, and turn it off. Now I'm gonna go to my air conditioner. So it's on off and it is not turning on, and it would be normally turning on right now. Now all I have to do is hit this and the AC is on. Now to test if it needs to be on your Wi-Fi, like say you disconnect from your Wi-Fi, can you turn on the air conditioner when you are away? You see I'm on my network, and let's click it. And yes, it is working. My air conditioner is kicked on, so I'd be able to come to this office nice and cold. And it turned off. Now we're gonna go to Google Home. So I'm gonna go into Home Control, or you're just gonna go into Plus, and you're gonna look for it. It'll be VSync, which VSync is there. It'll have us log in. And before I sign in, I want to make it clear that Google, turn on heater.
It looks like that device hasn't been set up yet. Just open the Google Home app and go to Home Control to add a device.
It already knows that I want to do something like that up until I'm going to sign in through the app, linking your VSync account. And now Google Home knows about the AC and heater. I'm going to sign the room. It's going to be in the office. And the heater is going to be in the office as well. So we're going to press done. And as simple as that, as soon as it says finished, I can say things like, Google, activate heater. Heater is on. Turn off heater. Turn on heater. Google, turn off heater. Now I'm going to do the same thing with AC. Google, turn on AC. Turn off AC. And that's that. So now I can exit. I don't even have to use the app. Of course, I can stay in the app and see what kind of energy the products that I'm consuming. You don't have to plug it into what I did. You can literally plug it into anything else that you want to keep track of its voltage, its watts, and a simple on or off through your voice commands or even their app. Now I can truly stay lazy, aka productive. I don't have to get up. It's convenient for me. I love it. So as you can tell, a lot of the products that I've recently had are really things that I need that are essential for my room and production. If you want something like that for yourself, find the description down below. I'll also link in the comments in case you don't know how to get to the description, but there you have it. Thank you for watching, and as always, I will see you guys next time. Later.